How to prepare for end-term GGSIPU examinations. Tips to secure high marks. Preparing for end-term examinations requires careful planning and consistent efforts. Here are some tips to help you prepare and secure high marks. Review the syllabus. Start by reviewing the syllabus for each subject and create a study plan. Break down the topics into manageable sections and allocate sufficient time for each. Organize your study materials. Gather all your study materials including textbooks, class notes, reference books and any additional resources. Organize them in a way that makes it easy for you to access and review the content. Create a study schedule. Develop a study schedule that suits your needs and ensures proper time management. Allocate dedicated study hours for each subject, focusing on the topics you find challenging. Include breaks in your schedule to avoid burnout. Understand the exam pattern. Familiarize yourself with the exam pattern, including the type of questions, marking schemes, and duration of the exams. This understanding will help you tailor your preparations and allocate time accordingly. Take notes and make summaries. While studying, take comprehensive notes and create summaries for each topic. Writing down key points help reinforce your understanding and make it easier to revise later. Practice previous year's question papers. Solving previous year's question papers gives you an idea of the exam format and the type of questions that are asked. It also helps you identify areas where you need more practice and familiarizes you with the time constraints of the exam. From study groups or seek help, collaborate with your classmates and form study groups. Discussing concepts and solving problems together can deepen your understanding and provide different perspectives. If you are struggling with a particular topic, don't hesitate to seek help from your professors, classmates, or online resources. Revise regularly. Consistent revision is crucial for long-term retention of the material. Set aside regular time for revision, preferably daily, to go over the topics that you have studied. This practice will reinforce your knowledge and help you identify any gap in your understanding. Use monomanic devices and visual aids. Monomanic devices and visual aids can be helpful for memorizing informations. Create acronyms, rhymes, or visual representations to recall key concepts, formulas, or facts. Take care of your health. Prioritize your physical and mental well-being during exam preparation. Get adequate sleep, eat nutritious meals, and engage in regular physical exercise. Take short breaks during study sessions to relax and rejuvenate your mind. Stay focused and motivated. Maintain a positive mindset throughout your preparation. Stay focused on your goals and remind yourself of the rewards that come up with achieving high marks. Celebrate small victories along the way to keep yourself motivated. Practice time management during the exam. During the exam, manage your time wisely. Read the questions carefully, allocate time for each section, and ensure you attempt all the questions within the given time frame. Don't get stuck on difficult questions. Move on and come back to them later if time permits. Remember, everyone has their unique studying style, so adapt these tips to suit your preferences and learning styles. Consistency, dedication, and a well-planned approach are key to securing high marks in your end-term examinations. Good luck.